In this lesson, we're going to talk about subtracting integers. So in the previous lesson, we studied adding integers. Adding, we said that the same sign and different sign. If the signs are the same, like negative 5 plus negative 2. So we study adding integers. Our operation, if it is plus, look at the sign. Are the signs the same? If the signs are the same, we're going to plus them. 5 plus 2 is 7 by putting their sign, which is negative 7. Okay? And we study if the signs are not the same, is different, like 14 plus negative 19. So look at these two numbers. This one is negative sign. This one, the sign is invisible, it means positive. Are the signs the same? No. So subtract 19 minus 14. We have to subtract them because it's gonna be different sign. Okay? So it's gonna be 5. So now which one is bigger? 19. So that's why we're gonna put the negative sign. So in this lesson, we're gonna talk about subtracting. If our operation is subtraction, let's say subtracting integers. We study integers, it means positive and negative numbers. Okay. So the previous lesson we studied adding integers, and this lesson is subtracting integers. If we have our operation is subtraction, we are going to try to change it to addition, because we study addition, it will be very easy to calculate the numbers, like calculate the integers. If we have, like, let's say negative 8 minus negative 2. So how can we calculate these two numbers? How can we subtract it? Look at this operation. If our operation is subtraction, we cannot work on it. It will be very difficult to calculate the numbers. But if you turn this one, the operation, to addition, it will be very easy, because the addition integer, there is only two nodes. The same sign, different sign. Let's try to change it. How? If there will be double sign together, we are going to turn to addition. Why? Because in addition, it's combining two line, 1, 2, right? So that's why if we combine these two line, it's gonna be plus. So turn to addition sign. So write down 2. Don't write negative 2. Why? Because we used that line. These two one combine it, it's gonna be plus. So negative 8. Now we study this one. Are the signs the same? It's addition. It will be very easy to find the answer. This is positive, this is negative. Are the signs the same? No. Subtract them. 8 minus 2, it's gonna be 6. Which one is bigger? 8. So the answer is gonna be negative 6. Another example, if we have 10 and negative 4, if our operation is subtraction. If our operation, again, I'm gonna tell you, if our operation is subtraction, we cannot. What do? You have to turn, if it is double minus together, or negative and the subtraction sign is together, we can turn to addition sign. Then this one is gonna be 4, this is gonna be 10. So this one is the normal addition, the same sign, positive and positive, it's gonna be 14, the answer. Okay, so another one, if we have like negative, another question 3, negative 6 minus, let's say, 9. Okay, look at that question. We say that if it is subtraction, we are going to try to change to addition. How? If we have the negative and the subtraction sign, two lines, 2 minus, or not, we cannot say 2 minus, the negative and the subtraction sign. But in this question there is no negative to make it to addition. What do we do? This one it is the positive sign because the sign is invisible. We are going to do something to change to this one to addition. How? By switching the place of these two one. So negative 6, the positive sign, it comes down, it's gonna be plus, and the subtraction sign, it goes up, it's gonna be negative 9. Now it's very easy, the signs are the same, we can plus it. 6 plus 9 is 15 by putting their sign, because the same sign, negative 15. Another example, let's say 18 minus negative 18 minus, let's say 24. Okay, minus. So if it is between two integers and our operation is subtraction, we say that we cannot work on do something to change to addition. But this one, there is no negative sign to combine with this subtraction sign to make it to addition. Okay, so that's why the sign is invisible, it's addition. We are going to switch the place of these two one. So negative 18, the positive sign, it comes down, and the subtraction sign, it goes up, negative 24. Now the signs are the same, it's very easy. So if the signs are the same, we're gonna plus it. So it's going to be 18 plus 24. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 is up, so it's gonna be 42. So 42, put their sign, which is negative. Okay, and this one, in the other grade that we study, if we have these types of the number like 2 minus 5, in grade 4 and 3 we study we cannot subtract these two and 2 minus 5, but we can study, we can calculate these two numbers. There is an answer. 2 minus 5, the answer is gonna be negative 3. Why? So if we're gonna apply this rule, 2 minus 5, how it becomes negative 3? Let me show you. We said that if it's subtraction, we are going to change to addition, right? We are going to change to the addition sign. So this is positive, switch the places, 2 plus, it goes up, negative 5. Are the signs the same? No, subtracted. 5 minus 2 is 3,